Rifles. Carcano M91. The Carcano M91 was the backbone of Italian infantry for over 50 years. Adopted in 1891, this bolt-action rifle fired the 6.5 by 52 mm cartridge from a 6-round en bloc clip. Light, simple, and relatively accurate, it served Italian soldiers in the mountains of the Alps and the deserts of North Africa. Though its round lacked the stopping power of larger Allied calibers, the M91 remained reliable and easy to manufacture, a symbol of Italy's enduring but aging military tradition. Carcano M91-24. The M91-24 was a shortened version of the original Carcano, designed to improve handling. With a reduced barrel length, it was easier to maneuver in tight formations and rough terrain. While ballistic performance dropped slightly, mobility improved, an important factor for modern warfare. Carcano M91-28. Originally intended for special troops, the M91-28 refined the Carcano platform. Compact and practical, it balanced portability with sufficient range, making it useful for support and second-line units. Carcano M38. The M38 represented an attempt to modernize the Carcano system. Some variants switched to a 7.35 mm cartridge for improved stopping power. It featured a fixed rear sight optimized for standard battle ranges. However, supply problems meant Italy reverted largely to the older 6.5 mm round. Carcano M91-41. The M91-41 reintroduced a longer barrel for improved accuracy and velocity. Produced during wartime shortages, it reflected Italy's effort to balance modernization with industrial limitations. Carbines. Carcano Moschetto M91 TS. Designed for special troops, the TS variant was compact and fast handling. Engineers and support units favored it for its portability without sacrificing reliability. Moschetto M91-38. A wartime carbine optimized for close combat, the M91-38 was easier to carry in vehicles in urban environments. It embodied Italy's attempt to adapt older designs to modern conditions. Moschetto M38 Cavalry Carbine. Equipped with a folding bayonet, this cavalry model preserved traditional mounted doctrine while adapting to mechanized warfare. Sniper Rifle. Carcano M91 Sniper. Selected for accuracy and fitted with optical sights, the sniper variant extended the Carcano's effective range. Though not produced in massive numbers, it allowed trained marksmen to provide precision fire support. Pistols. Beretta 1934. Compact and dependable, the Beretta 1934 fired the 9 mm Corto cartridge. Officers and NCOs trusted its rugged simplicity. Even after the war, it remained in service, a testament to its durability. Beretta 1935. Similar in design to the Beretta 1934, the 1935 used a slightly smaller cartridge. It was lightweight and easy to carry, ideal for support troops. Glisenti Model 1910. An earlier sidearm, the Glisenti featured a complex design and limited durability. Though outdated by World War II, it still appeared in secondary roles. Beretta 1923. One of Beretta's earlier successful designs, the M23 offered improved reliability and set the stage for later wartime pistols. Submachine guns. Beretta MAB 38. Widely regarded as Italy's finest small arm of World War II, the MAB 38 combined accuracy, high rate of fire, and superb craftsmanship. Chambered in 9 mm, it was respected even by German forces who reissued captured examples. Beretta M38A. The M38A refined the original with production adjustments, maintaining performance while easing manufacturing demands. Beretta M38-42. Designed for mass production, The M3842 sacrificed some finishing quality, but remained highly effective in combat. Beretta M3844. A further simplified version introduced late in the war, balancing cost and battlefield reliability. Over Beretta 38. Used by internal security forces, this variant maintained the Beretta's reputation for controllability and firepower. TZ-45. Introduced in 1945, the TZ-45 featured advanced safety mechanisms. Production was limited due to Italy's collapsing war industry. Machine guns. Breda 30. Intended as a squad automatic weapon, the Breda 30 struggled with reliability in harsh environments. Its complex feed system proved vulnerable to dust and sand. Breda M37. More successful than its lighter counterpart, the M37 delivered sustained fire from defensive positions and was widely used throughout the war. Fiat Revelli 1914. A relic of World War I, this heavy gun remained in service due to shortages, though it was outdated by modern standards. Breda M31. Primarily used for naval and anti-aircraft defense, the M31 provided close-range protection. Scotti MG. The Scotti system included automatic cannons used against aircraft and light vehicles, offering versatile defensive firepower. Anti-tank weapons. Solothurn S18/100. A large-caliber anti-tank rifle, the Solothurn offered early war armor penetration but became ineffective as tank armor thickened. Cannone da 47x32. Italy's primary anti-tank gun early in the war. Effective against light armor, but struggled against later Allied designs. Cannone da 65x17. Nicknamed Elefantino, this compact gun supported infantry with high explosive fire. Mortars and grenades. Brixia Model 35. A small but mechanically complex mortar. Though innovative, it required careful operation and frequent maintenance. 81mm mortar Model 35. More conventional and effective, this mortar provided reliable indirect fire support. SRCM Model 35, a compact fragmentation grenade widely issued to Italian troops. OTO Model 35, designed for blast effect rather than fragmentation, useful in assaults.